In this video, I will show you 3 methods on how to take screenshots on your tablet. Now the first method is that you can take a screenshot by simply swiping with the palm of your hand. Now to enable this feature, just go to settings and in the search bar, just search this. Now just tap on palm swipe to capture and enable this toggle. And after you do that, you will be able to take a screenshot by simply swiping across the screen using the palm of your hand. Now this was the first method. The second method is that you can capture a screenshot by using the buttons on your tablet. Now to do that, just press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. And by doing this, you will capture a screenshot, just like that. Now this was the second method. Now for the third method, just go to settings and in the main settings page, just tap on accessibility, tap on interaction and dexterity, and from here just enable the toggle for assistant menu. And after you do that, you will see this ball on the screen. Now to take a screenshot, just tap on the bubble, and over here you will find the option of screenshot. Now if you tap on screenshot, you will capture a screenshot by using the assistive ball, just like that. And all these screenshots which we have captured are saved in the gallery app, just like that. And this is how you can take screenshots on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.